Looking for the best gaming PC in 2026? Whether you want insane 4K performance, ultra-high FPS for esports, or the best value for your money, we've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down the top gaming PCs you can buy right now. Starting at number 1. MSI Codex Z2. The MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop is a powerful pre-built system designed for high-end gaming and demanding performance tasks. It is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor and a GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, delivering strong performance for modern AAA games, content creation, and VR applications. With 32GB of DDR5 memory, it ensures fast multitasking and smooth system responsiveness, while the 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD provides rapid load times and ample storage for games and files. The system includes USB Type-C connectivity for versatile peripheral support and is VR-ready for immersive gaming experiences. Running on Windows 11 Home, this desktop combines speed, graphics power, and storage capacity in a ready-to-use gaming setup built for enthusiasts and power users. Number 2. STORMCRAFT Sirius. The STORMCRAFT Sirius AI gaming desktop is a high-performance gaming PC built for smooth gameplay, multitasking, and modern creative workloads. It is powered by an Intel Core i7-14700F processor that can reach speeds up to 5.4 GHz, paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 16GB GDDR7 graphics card for strong visual performance in demanding games and applications. With 32GB of DDR5 RGB memory running at 6000 MHz, it ensures fast responsiveness and efficient multitasking, while the 2TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD provides rapid storage access and ample space for games and files. The system is built on a 8760 chipset and includes advanced connectivity options such as Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 Gigabits Ethernet for fast and stable networking. Designed with 5 RGB cooling fans for optimized airflow and aesthetics, it is also VR-ready, making it suitable for immersive gaming experiences and high-performance computing tasks. Number 3. CLX Set Gaming PC. The CLX Set Gaming PC is a high-end pre-built desktop designed for elite gaming performance and demanding workloads. It is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor clocked at 4.7 GHz, paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card for exceptional graphics rendering, smooth frame rates, and advanced ray tracing capabilities. The system includes 32GB of DDR5 RGB memory for fast multitasking and responsive performance, along with a 2TB NVMe M.2 SSD that delivers rapid load times and ample storage for games and files. A 360mm AIO liquid cooling system helps maintain optimal temperatures during heavy use, while built-in Wi-Fi ensures convenient wireless connectivity. Running on Windows 11 Home, this black-themed gaming PC combines powerful hardware, efficient cooling, and modern features for a premium gaming and content creation experience. Humanize 134 words. Number 4. Panorama XL RTX 5080. The Panorama XL RTX 5080 gaming desktop is a high-performance system built for advanced gaming, streaming, and productivity workloads. It features an Intel 20-core Ultra 7265KF processor paired with an NVIDIA RTX 5080 graphics card, delivering powerful performance for modern AAA games, creative applications, and AI-driven tasks. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM, it ensures smooth multitasking and fast system responsiveness, while the 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD provides ultra-fast storage speeds and ample space for large game libraries and files. The system is liquid-cooled for efficient thermal management during heavy use and includes internal Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed wireless connectivity. Running Windows 11 Pro, it also comes with a 3-year warranty and includes an RGB keyboard and mouse, offering a complete ready-to-use premium gaming setup. Humanize 135 words. Number 5. Horizon Autherium Dragon RGB. The Horizon Autherium Dragon RGB gaming PC is a high-end desktop built for extreme gaming performance, multitasking, and content creation. It is powered by an Intel Core i9 processor with speeds up to 5.4 GHz, paired with an RTX 5070 OC graphics card for strong performance in modern AAA games and VR experiences. With a massive 64 GB of RAM, it delivers exceptional multitasking capability, while the 9 TB high-speed storage provides extensive space for games, media, and large files. The system is equipped with a 360mm AIO liquid cooling solution to maintain optimal temperatures under heavy loads. It also features Wi-Fi 6E with speeds up to 2.4 gigabits per second for fast and stable connectivity, and runs on Windows 11 Pro for enhanced productivity and security. Designed with RGB lighting and VR readiness, it combines powerful hardware with a premium gaming aesthetic for an immersive experience. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.